Alrighty, guys, so we're about an hour and 45 minutes into the session right now, and the markets really aren't doing much. We have the S&P 500 at break even, the Dow's down 0.2 as the Nasdaq's up barely 0.2. Well, I guess the Russell is down about 1%, so the Russell is getting hit, and the VIX is up 3%, but overall, it's been a pretty flat day so far, guys, and we're going to break down the markets, and of course, Bed Bath & Beyond stock in this video, which is actually creeping up right now. We're going to break down the charts, do an update there, my thoughts, all that good stuff. But before we do that, guys, don't forget to take advantage of the best promo right now for Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. Use that link down below, open up your account, funnel with at least $100. You get 5 stocks right off the bat, each up to $2,000. And guys, fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, each up to $2,000. And listen to this, guys, on top of those 15 stocks, if you fund your account at least $5,000, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed, which, guys, that's limited time, link down below. And of course, that's an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always, and it's free money. Who doesn't like free money? And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So like I said, we're about an hour 45 minutes in, which means it's about what, 11:15, yeah, almost 11:20 now on the East Coast. So we're only in the beginning of the day right now, and again, the markets aren't doing much of anything except for the Russell, which is down over 1% right now. Let me actually pull that chart up and show you guys what's going on. Clearly, we're getting rejected at 1,900 points on the Russell, which if I clear the drawing set and just draw out a basic line, guys, you can see 1,900 has been resistance for quite some time, except for when we ended up breaking at 2,000. That was for about a week and a half, or actually a month rather, month and a half. Other than that breakout we had back in February, which lasted until the beginning of March, we got rejected there many times over the past couple of months. Back in November, back in December, back recently just about 3 weeks ago in the middle of June, and now we're getting rejected again, down over 1%, down 20 points on the day so far, and it looks like where are we? 1876 on the Russell, so it looks like, again, we're getting rejected at 1,900 points. And it looks like the Dow is struggling a little bit, which honestly, guys, I'm not surprised about. It looks like it's struggling to break above 34,600, 34,800, right around there, which you guys can see we've struggled there all year. And that was actually stemming back from the end of November, end of November. That's where we started struggling at about 34.5 roughly, on the Dow, which will we break out of there? We might. Time will tell. We'll see. If we do break above 34.8 into the 35s, that'd be great for the Dow, but we're not there yet. We're still about 700 points under 35,000 on the Dow, and when it comes down to SPY, which tracks the S&P, then we'll talk about Bed Bath & Beyond, guys. Bear with me here. SPY right now is at about 443, pretty much at break even, and it looks like it's just consolidating right now above the highs from last week, or not even last week, probably the week before last week, maybe the week before last week, guys. It looks like in the middle of June, we peaked at about 442. It looks like that's where we're holding right now. That's a pretty good sign for the bulls. And on triple Q, let's see what we're doing here. It looks like the ascending triangle is still intact, which means it could still play out. Will it play out? I don't know. Time will tell. But my alert's at 375. Might as well put another one at $373. Let me do that now. 373. Mark is at or above to see if we do break above that. Then 375. Then we'll get a full breakout, in my opinion. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and hit that like button if you haven't done so already, guys. Hit that like button. I appreciate you all, and make sure to subscribe if you guys want to see more content like this about the markets, news, individual stocks, charts. We try and do it all here on the channel, guys, so make sure to subscribe if you guys like that type of content. And let's talk about Bed Bath & Beyond right now, which you guys know is very volatile, and last I checked, it was up around 3%. Let's see what it's doing right now. Let me pull it up and show you guys. Now it's up 2.3%. All right, pretty much still right where it was at when I was prepping this video. So we can see it's up over 30 cents right now, and it looks like it got to 33 cents. When was that? Was that this morning in the pre-market? Yeah, I guess it looks like it was. So we shot up to 33 cents, then we pulled back a little bit. Here we are now at about 31 cents, and it looks like if I pull up the 5-day 5-minute chart, it looks like here, wait a second, let me clear the drawing set. Do you guys, first of all, see the ascending triangle we called out in the last video on Bed Bath & Beyond? The analysis is still there. Do you guys see that? That ended up playing out. Boom. Did we not say if we see a push past 29.30 cents, we could get a nice leg up in the short term. Looks like exactly that happened here, guys, on BBBYQ. We shot to about 33 cents. Now we're pulling back. We're right back at 31 cents now. Now we're actually testing the highs from what day was that? Monday. Yeah, Monday the markets, we had a short day on Monday. So let me actually redraw this and make it a little bit cleaner for you all to see. We have this triangle on Monday. Boom, you guys see that. And to keep things very basic, very brief, very simple, we broke out. Now we're pulling back. Boom, we're retracing, and we're testing the top of the triangle, being about 30.5 cents, 31 cents roughly. So now the $1 million question is, will we get a pop on BBBYQ? Maybe a run into close. Maybe it runs, or maybe it just consolidates today. Maybe it sets up for a run tomorrow. That is what I'm looking at here personally, and that's kind of what is going through my head. And do you guys remember I also called out that inverse head and shoulders on this 5-day chart? This is actually the 15-minute. Let me go to the 5-day, 5-minute. We talked about this on, I forget when I made that video, maybe Monday. Maybe Monday I made that video. We called this out. Look, inverse head and shoulders is still intact. We have the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and I told you guys the ascending triangle was in the right shoulder. Do you guys remember that? And now, again, like I said, that ascending triangle is starting to play out. We're retracing a bit. Now let's see if we can make another move later on today, which is kind of what I'm banking on, guys. I'm thinking, and of course, it's not guaranteed. I'm not telling you guys to go out there and do anything. Please don't do anything based on this video. But the way it's setting up, I'm thinking we could be gearing up for a move. And maybe I'll do a part 2. Maybe. I don't know. Later on today, we'll see. But for now, guys, it's about 11:25 a.m. We have a good 4.5 hours left of trading, and anything could happen, especially with a stock like Bed Bath & Beyond, ticker symbol BBBYQ. So let's see. I'm going to set my alert at, let me put one at 32 cents for now. Mark is at or above 32 cents. And I'll put another one maybe at 31 cents. Yeah, let me do one at 31 cents as well. Actually, no, maybe 33 cents. Let me do that now. Mark is at or above, maybe 33.5. Let me do that. Mark is at or above 33.5. So if we start breaking out of there, guys, mid, high 30s could be the target. That's what I'm thinking at least. What are you guys thinking? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my second channel, Stocks Talks Money, which I'm actually doing a giveaway. Once we hit 1,000 subs, we're almost there, guys, a $100 giveaway, so make sure to subscribe. And if you have not gotten your free money from Moomoo yet for some odd reason, what are you doing? Use that link down below, or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000. And if you want 10 more stocks totaling 15 stocks, fund your account at least $1,000, guys. That's how you actually get 15 stocks. And if you want another free share of either Tesla stock or Google, listen to this, guys, crazy, I know. Fund your account at least $5,000. So listen to this. If you fund your account at least $5,000, guys, you get 15 stocks, each up to $2,000, and you get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google stock, which the clock's ticking, guys. It's limited time. So use that link down below, or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And if you guys are interested in checking out my Patreon, you want to be in touch with me throughout the day, you want to keep up with my posts, my ideas, you want to be a part of the Patreon portfolio, which I'm buying stocks every single weekend, and essentially I'm building that up for my audience, right? If you guys want to see how I do that, that's on Patreon, link down below. Or you guys can join the YouTube channel membership, which essentially it's the same thing. It's up to you guys. Both of those are linked down below. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys later.